To make 12 mini meringues, you will need 2 egg whites and 100 grams of caster sugar. You can use some vanilla essence too, but you may find it makes the meringue quite yellow in colour. Firstly, break 2 eggs and separate the egg whites. Ensure you do not get any of the yolk into the bowl, and also make sure the bowl is very clean when you use it, otherwise this can affect the meringue formation. Use room temperature eggs as they whip up faster and add more volume. Whisk the egg whites on a medium speed for about a minute and then gradually add the sugar. It's optional whether you would like to add vanilla flavouring. The meringues can then be piped onto a baking tray. I put the piping bag into a pint glass, and then to make the meringue kisses, I applied food colouring in stripes inside the piping bag. To help prevent cracking, leave meringues to cool down in the oven after baking.